I'm a nature groupie.
I'm a nature groupie.
We are nature groupies!
In 2013, we started Nature Groupie, a website that connects volunteers to conservation projects. Today, more than 5,000 volunteers have helped clean rivers, restore wildlife habitats, maintain trails, plant trees, and do environmental research.
But we're not done yet. We know there are many more nature groupies out there who are ready to volunteer outdoors, and many more projects that need our help. So we're working to grow this community of nature lovers.
We're launching an outdoor brand, Nature Groupie Gear, whose profits will help fund our work with outdoor volunteers.
So, are you a nature groupie?